Welcome to a short demonstration of how to pull community content. This is unsupported and community content from galaxy.com into your private automation hub. So we'll start by logging in. And you can see here, this is an automation hub I've already been working with. So in here, I've already got a number of partners and collections that have come from the supported Red Hat certified repositories from cloud.redhat.com. But if I change to community repository, you can see here that it says no results found. There's no content on this private automation hub that is community-based content. So how do we get community-based content into private automation hub? That's quite easy. You go to repo management, and under remote repos, you can see here, here's the community repo. It's got no details about synchronization because it's completely fresh, unlike the Red Hat certified one that I did in the previous video. So clicking on community and edit, we get the URL pointing to galaxy.ansible.com, and then we get the option to specify a requirements YAML. Okay, so this is quite important because we do not synchronize the entire galaxy.com repository of all collections because it's going to grow to be quite large. So you need to define as an administrator what content you wish to pull from Galaxy. And the way you do this is you specify it in a requirements.yaml. So what does the requirements.yaml look like? It looks something like this. You specify your collections and you just give them name. You can put version as well. So at the moment I said I wish to have the IBM.cloud collection. And the way you get this detail is that you go to Galaxy. Let's go there now and add to this file. So here on galaxy.ansible.com, I'll do a search and let's go and get some more IBM stuff. So here we go, here's IBM collections, there's 17 in here. Let's say that we're interested in blockchain. So we select the blockchain platform collection. And you can see here, here's the download information. So if you're using the CLI, you could do Ansible Galaxy collection install and it'll pull it down to the Ansible client CLI. Otherwise, if we're using private automation hub as we're doing, we're just going to take the name of the collection and we're going to put that into our requirements.yaml. Like so. So now I've got two collections specified. I'll save the file. And then if we go back to our automation hub, we can choose browse. And our requirements YAML is just here. Click open. Click save. And then click sync. Okay, so that's running. It shouldn't take too long because there's only a couple of collections to do. And that's it complete. So in just maybe 10 or 15 seconds there, all completed. And if we now go to our repo selector, we can change from published to community. And we are expecting to see our two collections. There they are, there's cloud collection and blockchain. If we click on the blockchain, we can see that we get the similar detail as you find on ansible.galaxy.com. And that's how you download to the CLI. Otherwise, the collection is now staged here at our private automation hub and ready for Tower to pull into any of the projects that are running. And that completes this demonstration.